Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss that what steps you can take if you're facing an issue that your Wi-Fi is working properly on other devices but not on your laptop. So for this, the first step you can do is you can go to the taskbar where your internet icon is there, right click over there, and there would be a troubleshoot problems option. So just click on that, and the network adapter troubleshooter would work. Windows would automatically detect the problems with the network adapter you want to diagnose. So suppose you want to go with a Wi-Fi. So select on Wi-Fi and click on next, and that should detect the problems and should solve the problems actually for you. In case it does not solve the problem, or it could not identify the problem, then you can simply just close it. And then what you need to do is refresh your IP. So for that, what we need to do is go to the search bar, type in CMD for the command prompt app and run it as an administrator. When asked for permission, click on yes, and then run these two commands, that is ipconfig space /release to release your old IP address, and ipconfig space /renew to generate a new IP address. And then again try connecting with your Wi-Fi, and that should solve your issue. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.